incredible.
Yeah, the online market allows you to compare prices on just about anything.
Yeah, from homes to cars without much hassle, but for years that has not been the case for health care.
Yeah, WNCN Investigates Sean Maroney shares one man's story of some serious sticker shock.
Our investigation uncovered that patients have been paying thousands more for the same medical procedures, a lot of times in the same town. It depends on your hospital, but that all could soon change and pave the way for lower prices.
Here I am almost 7 weeks out, and I can say I'm pain-free right now.
Thanks to back surgery, Gary Coker of Holly Springs is a new man, but he still remembers what it was like before going under the knife.
Lower back pain for approximately a year and a half prior to that, which was sending pain radiating down both my legs.
When the pain got too much to bear, Coker had a common, minimally invasive surgery, removing part of a disc that was pressing on the nerves in his back. It's called a microdiscectomy. How much did that surgery cost?
I want to say it was right in the area of $34,000.
$34,000.
$34,000, correct.
It's a lot of money.
That is a lot of money.
Based off a friend's recommendation, Coker went to Duke Raleigh for the surgery. When you first saw the bill, did you have sticker shock?
I was surprised. Yeah, I certainly was. Walking into it, I had no idea what the surgery actually cost.
But that's about to change. Under a new pricing transparency law going into effect next year, hospitals in our state must now submit charges for 140 of their most common procedures. The Department of Health and Human Services website will list them, but so far, DHHS officials tell us they're still in the preliminary stages of putting it all together. In the meantime, we accessed a federal database that already lists prices for North Carolina licensed hospitals in our viewing area. 8 include Coker's $34,000 surgery, but the prices are all over the place. It's to the point that if Coker went just 6 miles down the road to Rex Hospital, he could have gotten the same surgery for less than half the price of Duke Raleigh. Should they think that because of that higher price, they'll get better care?
I wouldn't make that assumption.
Don Dalton is with the North Carolina Hospital Association. For years, they've posted a list of charges. Dalton doesn't foresee prices going down because of this new law.
Hospital billing is very complex because of all the people that are involved in it. It's not simply someone walking in and buying a loaf of bread.
Many of the prices are contractually bound for a multi-year period, so it will not happen overnight. But it will start the conversation.
Dr. Brian Cavney is with Blue Cross Blue Shield, the health insurance provider for more than 3.7 million North Carolinians. He says you've got to do your homework on more than just prices.
If you can look at relative quality and relative cost of 2 different places, you can make a good decision about where you should have your health care. We want people to go to reputable databases with real quality information.
I went to WebMD.
Do you think that was a reliable source?
No, that's probably not the best source, but there's also, through my health insurance company, has a website where they can go and they can actually rank the doctor.
In the end, Coker's research satisfied him, even without knowing the price. Would you have liked to have been able to compare?
At that point, it was all about me having the surgery and getting past my injury. I probably would have paid whatever he charged at that time, to be honest with you. All I can say is I'm very pleased with the results I have. And
no pain.
No pain. No pain.
Of that $34,000 bill, Coker only had to pay $75. His insurance covered the rest. But for those of you who aren't as fortunate with your policies, or if you're just curious about cost and quality, you can go to WNCN.com, where we have a list of prices and reputable sites that you can look up the quality of care. From the studio, I'm Sean Maroney, WNCN News.
Yeah, when looking at those sites, some of the things to look out for, like how many complications there are after surgeries, how many people get readmitted within 30, 60, or 90 days of a particular surgery. Also, if you have insurance, obviously find out how much you're going to have to pay, and as always, make sure you talk to your doctor.